BOZQ Ransomware is yet another malicious infection under the ever-growing umbrella of the Stop Djvu Ransomware family. Like other related variants, it infects computers and then locks users' files, including documents, music, pictures, video files, and others. Once the encryption is complete, the hackers behind BOZQ Ransomware demand a ransom for a decryptor that would supposedly help you regain access to your data. If your computer has been infected with BOZQ ransomware, you should immediately disconnect from any other devices from the compromised machine to prevent further spread of the infection. During the encryption, all affected files receive the .bozq extension. Users will then find a ransom note on the computer's desktop titled _readme.txt. This note instructs victims to contact the hackers at datarestorehelp@airmail.cc and support@fishmail.top. In the ransom note, the hackers also offered to decrypt one file for free to prove that they can restore all of the files upon receiving payment. The ransom note instructs victims to pay either $980 or $490 in Bitcoin. The lower ransom price depends on whether or not the contact is made within the first 72 hours after the attack. Unfortunately, a free online decryption tool that could restore the encrypted files is not available at the moment. The only reliable way to recover affected files is to restore them from a backup. You can also try using alternative data recovery options, but there's no guarantee that alternative data recovery tools can unlock all of the encrypted files. How do I deal with the BOZQ ransomware attack? To protect yourself from the BOZQ ransomware attack, you should practice safe web browsing habits like refraining from opening email attachments from unknown senders and downloading programs from unreliable sources. You should also have a reputable malware remediation tool installed on your computer. That way, you can regularly scan for elements associated with this troublesome ransomware infection and other malware. Also, to reduce the potential of a future ransomware infection, please consider backing up your files on an external hard drive or cloud storage. You know, as I think about the dangers that exist online, not unlike the subjects we learned about in this video, I know I feel a lot better having an anti-malware program like Spy Hunter installed in my PC, providing me the protection I need against malware, and I think you should too. Spy Hunter 5's strongest features are found in its malware repair capabilities. Spy Hunter 5's remediation algorithms dive deep into your system to remove and address complex malware issues affecting PCs today. While many anti-malware products only flag and quarantine malware and ultimately fail to fully remediate the root problem, the Spy Hunter 5 remediation algorithm detects, quarantines, and programmatically repairs malware problems on your PC. Spy Hunter 5 is a powerful PC utility that repairs malware threats in many cases where other competing anti-malware and antivirus programs may fail. To detect and remove malware for free, go to enigmasoftware.com and download Spy Hunter today. Thanks for watching.